In today's Tino Detailing video, I'll be taking you through a day in the life as a mobile detailer. So let's wake up and start the day. I usually wake up around 8 AM and have my first customer booked in at around 9 AM. Today we have a Mercedes AMG GTS booked in for an outside wash including yellow snow foam. So let's make our way there now. As a mobile detailer, I do a great deal of driving around London. The best advice I can give you as a driver to another driver is when you spot another erratic driver, keep your distance, drop back a bit, let him pass, let him go on his business. That way you'll be a lot more safe on the road. In a van like this, you have to be careful while turning, as the water in your water tank can tip you over, which won't be that nice. Now I'm going to take you guys through each step I take to perform an exterior wash. Step 1 of any detail is to assess the condition of the vehicle, and as you can see, it is covered in a small layer of dirt and condensation. Step 2, we clean the wheels. The wheels are usually the dirtiest part of the car, which is why I like to get them out of the way first. Check out this beast. Step 3, the pre-wash, using yellow snow foam. This right here, chaps, is one of the most satisfying part of the job. I love it. The pre-wash stage breaks down and safely removes the dirt before I perform the other washing stages. If you think that this yellow snow foam looks awesome, then give this video a like. Time for a quick pic for Insta. Guys, what do you think of this coloured snow foam? Let us know in the comments below if you like it or if you hate it. I personally love it. Step 4. I pressure wash the Mercedes AMG GTS. As the yellow snow foam has softened a lot of the dirt, the pressure washing stage now blasts it off the car. Just look how nicely the snow foam comes off. As always, chaps, I respond to all of the comments, so any questions you have for me, comment them below and be sure to subscribe if you're enjoying this video. Step 5. Hand washing. So I use car shampoo and multiple mitts to wash the car. The key to detailing a car without causing swirl marks are keeping your mitts clean, as if they are dirty you are basically scraping dirt along the car. So keep watching, as at the end of the video I'll be showing you the most efficient way to clean your mitts. Step 6. The final rinse off. In this step, remove all dirt and shampoo left on the vehicle. Step 7. I dry the car using a microfiber drying towel. I also use a leaf blower to get rid of any remaining water. Step 8. The windows are cleaned. I use a window spray and then wipe the window with a cloth using both sides of the microfiber cloth. Step 9. The door shuts are wiped. Step 10. The tyres are shined and the wheels are given a quick check. Before I show you the results, be sure to stay to the end of the video as I'll be showing you how I prepare for the next day. Step 11. I give the vehicle a final check as I use a detail spray to apply a protection and also deal with any imperfections. And here are your results. Enjoy. So when I finish a day of work, I go to fill up my supplies and get things ready for the next day. So firstly, I fill up my water tank. As that's filling up, I clean my wash mitts. So I put them on a tray and give them a good jet wash. Then I fill up my chemicals and any supplies that I have. I would like to thank you all for watching this Tino detailing video. This has been a day in the life of a mobile detailer. I hope you have enjoyed it, and here's 2 more videos I think you would enjoy.